Cebu. Nice one. That's a very good sport. I want to acknowledge from Mindanao, Chris Bryant. Of course, we acknowledge Chris Bryant. Palakpakan naman siya. All right, let's begin. Fighting first in the blue corner, weighing in at 75 kilograms. 56 kilograms yan, ha? 56 kilograms. Kinaduda ko, pagtanaw sa 55 kilograms, naduda ko. Okay. 56 kilograms, hailing from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Let's give it up for Ferdinand the Looper de la Merced. Relax, ha? Relax. Idokol. And now, his opponent, the challenger, in the red corner, weighing in at 75 kilograms, hailing from Consolacion, Cebu, Philippines. Let's give it up for Bad Boy ng Cebu! Right now, boxing fans, we are now at our newest peaks at the Facebook Live viewers. We got 168,000 views sa ating Facebook Live viewers. Before we begin, ato sa clear the ring. This is 3 rounds of boxing. Boxing for a pause. Bad Boy ng Cebu versus Ferdinand de la Merced. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Kinsa lahat ang mabunog for tonight's boxing event? Judges, we got Now sa daan, ha? Ato say clear those things, Ginhawa na nagamay, ha? Of course, ato yung acknowledge the 3 judges at ringside scored about J.D. Sanchez, Pocholo Padilla, and Victor Cogal before we start. That's on your cue. Bell referee, Fernando Ocon, on your cue, wearing white, on the ring. Seryoso na kasanan. Kinsa ka ang mabunog na imopiswa, tanawa ko. Ibalik pa lang. Karuwa. Wala ba na sa
red, naka-blue. Tapos bad boy naka-red.
End of round 1. Para ninyo boxing fans, kinsay na daw sa round 1. Bad boy ng Cebu. Wala pa. How about Ferdinand de la Merced? Oy, ato yung mga boxing fans, kanao nga sa ako. Kaya pwede na ito mag-preamp, hindi na ito